Now let's welcome the fourth team from Sacred Heart Canossian College, Corinne Cheuk and Kobe Ma. The name of the experiment is Natural pH Indicator Red Cabbage Solution.
Good afternoon. We are S4 chemistry students from Sacred Heart Canossian College. I am Corinne and this is Kobe. My younger brother always complains that chemistry is boring and difficult to learn. How can I enhance his interest towards chemistry?
I've designed an interesting experiment which is suitable for your brother to try. This experiment is designed for children aged 10 to 12. Natural pH indicator, red cabbage solution. This experiment includes 3 stages. First, preparation of pH 1 to 14 red cabbage solution, and testing for the pH value of different food substances using the red cabbage indicator, and making a rainbow tube using the red cabbage solution. We co-create this experiment as we believe that it can surely enrich their knowledge towards pH value. We also believe that the colorful rainbow tube made will attract them when they are carrying out this experiment.
The first experiment is the preparation of pH 1 to 14 red cabbage indicator. We aim at finding out the color change of red cabbage solution in pH 1 to 14. Following are the steps of the experiment. First, tear off 5 pieces of red cabbage into small pieces. Then place the pieces in a large beaker and pour boiling water to cover them. After that, allow at least 10 minutes for the color to leach out of the cabbage. Then filter out the red cabbage pieces and collect the filtrate, which is the red cabbage solution. Later on, add 5 cm cube of pH 1 solution and 2 cm cube of red cabbage solution into the test tube. Shake the test tube gently until a color change is obtained. And repeat steps 5 to 7 using pH 2 to 14 solutions. These are the colors of the red cabbage indicator under pH 1 to 14 respectively. pH 1 is on the far left of the spectrum, while pH 14 is on the far rightmost.
Our next experiment is to test the pH value of different food substances. We aim at finding out the pH value of different food substances, including Sprite, lemon juice, and baking soda solution using the red cabbage indicator. Here are the steps of the experiment. First, add 5 cm cube of lemon juice and 2 cm cube of red cabbage solution into a test tube. Then shake it gently until a color change is obtained. And after that, match the color with pH 1 to 14 red cabbage indicator to find out the pH value of the lemon juice. Repeat step 1 to 4 with Sprite and baking soda solution. From the figure, we conclude that the pH value of both Sprite and lemon juice are 3, which is acidic, and the pH value of baking soda solution is 8, which is slightly alkaline.
The last and the most interesting experiment is to make a rainbow tube using the red cabbage solution. Here are the steps of the experiment. First of all, mix the red cabbage indicator with saturated sodium carbonate solution. Then pour the mixture into a boiling tube and add in twice the amount of the red cabbage indicator solution along the wall of the boiling tube slowly. Next, mix the indicator with hydrochloric acid and add the mixture along the wall of the boiling tube slowly again. Lastly, tilt the tube slightly to allow diffusion of color.
The theory behind the natural pH indicator is that red cabbage contains a plant pigment known as anthocyanins, which can change color over a different pH range. Therefore, its extract can be used as a natural pH indicator. And the rainbow tube can be made based on the theory that saturated sodium carbonate has a higher density than the hydrochloric acid. Therefore, layers are separated in the tube. When we tilt the tube, diffusion occurs as the acid and base cause neutralization. This is why a colorful rainbow tube can be made, as there is a gradual change in the pH in the solution.
Here are some safety precautions while carrying out this experiment. First, wear safety goggles and gloves as sodium carbonate solution and hydrochloric acid are both irritant and corrosive. Secondly, the experiment should only be carried out under supervision of adults.
Last but not least, we hope that through this experiment, children can learn more about acidity and alkalinity. They can also find out more about natural pH indicator besides the red cabbage solution and explore more on the pH value of different food substances in their daily life, such as Coke, vinegar, fruit juice, and tea. They can also learn about density while making the attractive rainbow tube. Thank you.
BASF. We create chemistry.